Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Sunday the 1st of June. Welcome to a new month. Today's video we're going to be making some authentic mac and cheese. So I have here less than a pound of mild white cheddar cheese, and I'm going to try to grate at least a third, 3/4 of it. So let's get into it. While I'm grating it, I'm going to have a pot of water on the stove. So when it boils, I can just add the pasta in. So how are you guys weekend going so far? So in that pot of water, I have some salt, some oil that will keep the pasta from sticking together, and some all-purpose seasoning. So how's the weekend going so far? I celebrated my birthday on Friday the 30th of May. I have not been able to post or even film any videos. Well, I did film video, but like I am a perfectionist. If I don't like what I see, I would not post it. I might even edit it just to see if I can somehow do something about what I don't like in it. But at the end of it, if it's still there or if it isn't pleasing to my eyes, I'm not gonna post it. So that's the reason why you guys haven't gotten any videos for the past week and a half. I finished grating most of the cheese, so we're just leaving the others for the top. And this is the pasta that I'll be using. I think this is the Campden product. So waiting for the water to boil, and then I'll take you guys over there and show you guys the entire process. Here we are. It's boiling, but not really. It's just bubbling a bit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open the pasta. This is 300 grams of pasta, and I'm just going to mix it all in. There's nothing else really to do. This particular pasta cooks for around, I'm looking for it, 7 to 10 minutes. So at that time I would come back and I would already drain it, and I'm just gonna show you guys the process of how I make my baked mac and cheese. So stay tuned. There's not much to see now, so I'll be right back. It has been around 6 to 7 minutes, and I realized I don't want these to fully cook because they're going in the oven and they're going to cook again. So they're about like al dente. They're a little bit hard, but then they could be eaten as is. So I'm going in with some evaporated milk, and I'm just going to add all of that. I added the evaporated milk, and I'm just gonna mix it up. Don't think there is enough milk here. so I'm just going to add a little bit more. Here we go. Not too much. And just mix it in. This is the point where you will add your egg, whatever else you need to add. So this by itself looks very creamy. Alright, let's add in the cheese. The cheese is completely mixed in. So I have my pie dish here already greased, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pour. Oh, look at that. Hold on, let me just spread it out. And then add the rest in. The oven is already on, it's preheating, so I'm going to add the remaining cheese on the top and put it in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, maybe 30 minutes, until the top is golden brown. Let's put on the cheese. There we have it. And let's go ahead and put it into the oven, and I'll show you guys how it's looking once it is done. The macaroni pie is finally done. If you can see around the edges are brown.